Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue with your Google Chrome browser that the class not registered with the Chrome.exe or Chrome executable. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the search menu, type in Chrome, best match, should come back with Google Chrome. Go ahead and right click on that and select where it says open file location. Right click on the Google Chrome shortcut and select properties. Select compatibility and then select where it says run compatibility troubleshooter. And then you go ahead and follow along with the on-screen prompts here. And then hopefully if you attempt to launch Chrome once that diagnostic has concluded, hopefully your issue should have been resolved at this point. You can also attempt to reinstall Google Chrome if you're still experiencing this issue later. So just a couple of different things to keep in mind. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.